Thanks, You are the most amazingly beautiful demon I have ever seen.
I am not a demon. I am Mavka, the soul of the forest.
Wow.
Why have you trespassed here?
A strange lady offered me a big reward to find a special leaf.
In the forest, behind the dark mountain. Listen.
Did you find a tree? And where is this peasant loser?
Learn the language of women.
Maybe you could play your music for me?
Do you realize how illegal this is? Keep flying with me.
This human is no different than all the others. He will betray you.
Incredible.
Lucas was at the source of life. There's only one way to stop this evil. Strike first!
Go and never return.
I love how no matter where you look, you see goodness, Mavka. But you have made the same mistake I made once. Humans and the forest alike. Fire and hatred without end.
Siga, compartilhe, deixa seu like.